NerveSync is a dietary supplement marketed as an advanced nerve support formula. It claims to reduce discomfort, tingling, numbness, and nerve pain linked to neuropathy, diabetes, or aging. The product promotes itself as a natural solution that can repair nerves, improve circulation, and restore mobility. It's marketed as safe, non-habit forming, and a daily fix for long-term nerve health and pain relief. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's talk about some red flags around NerveSync. The first one is the way it makes overpromising cure-all claims. It suggests it can repair damaged nerves, restore sensation, regain mobility, and even reverse nerve decline. These are big promises that are medically unrealistic for a dietary supplement. Nerve damage from diabetes, aging, or injury cannot simply be reversed by vitamins or herbs. At best, some ingredients may help manage symptoms, but it's far from a cure. Another issue is the misleading FDA claim. The website says the product is FDA approved, but that's not true. Dietary supplements are never FDA approved. At most, they can be manufactured in FDA-registered facilities, which just refers to safety standards in production, not effectiveness. This is a classic tactic used to make a product look more legitimate than it really is. There's also the problem of blurring the line between relief and cure. NerveSync markets itself as something that can ease nerve pain, tingling, and numbness, but it also hints at being a long-term fix or solution. That's misleading, because neuropathy usually requires medical treatment, lifestyle adjustments, and sometimes prescription medications. No supplement can fully restore nerve function as the marketing implies. Now, to be fair, some of the ingredients do have benefits. Alpha Lipoic Acid has some evidence for reducing neuropathy symptoms, especially in diabetics. B vitamins like B1, B6, and B12 are important for nerve health, but they won't regrow nerves unless deficiency is the actual cause. Turmeric can help with inflammation, and compounds like Alpha and Magnesium may support nerve and muscle function. But while these ingredients are helpful, they are not miracle cures, and they certainly cannot regenerate nerves the way the product suggests. Another thing to keep in mind is that while NerveSync is available on reputable reseller websites like Amazon, this doesn't automatically make it legit. Amazon hosts many products, including those with exaggerated or misleading claims. The platform doesn't verify if a supplement actually works. In the end, while NerveSync contains some useful nutrients, the way it's marketed raises several red flags. Be cautious of any supplement that promises to fix complex health conditions like nerve damage. Always consult with a doctor before trying products like this.